This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we're headed down to the Seychelles Islands off the coast of South Africa to fly fish some of the most prestigious salt flats in the world. My daughter Autumn and pro staff member Rick Heim join me as we meet up with Alphonse Fishing Company to do some incredible fishing. Not only is the fishing spectacular, but also the people, atmosphere, in these islands are like nothing I've seen before. So stick around.
Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles.
This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, I'm with my daughter Autumn and our good friend Ricky Loco, and we're headed to the Seychelles Islands. Then we grab a smaller plane and go to the Alphonse Island. You know, we flew over 9,000 miles to get there, and the jet lag has set in. So we were greeted by the great staff. They took us to our incredible bungalows, and we set in to get ready for the fishing for the next day.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, nice. Thank you, Colin, thank you. My first Alphonse Seychelles bonefish. Thank you, gracias. Yes, yes it is, good call, my friend. Okay, yep. Yeah. I'll use your shoulder here. All right. Thank you. Gorgeous fish, man. Thank you. Thank you. Nice, my man. My man. It's gold, baby. My man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at this guy.
Very nice.
Oh, wow.
So after I catch my first Alphonse Island bonefish, we're gonna send it over to my good friend Ricky and see if he can hook up on one. Ricky has not learned how to use his drag on his reel yet.
I can put a little bit of pressure on. There he comes.
And Rick, he hasn't realized that this is just a 30-minute show.
There you go.
Couple pounds. There you go.
You know, being the host of Fly Rod Chronicles, I could say
I've gotten to catch bonefish all over the world. Alphonse Islands, catching bonefish, has some of the most spectacular and hardest fighting, incredible bonefish in the world.
There we go. Oh, nice. Ooh, good one, huh? Big bonefish. Tighten it up a little bit. There we go. Oh. Huh. There we go. It's a good bonefish, huh? Oh. There one. Nice. Oh man.
You know, after that last bonefish, I was content. I was ready to go over and hang out with Ricky and my daughter Autumn and let them put the camera down and watch them go after some big bonefish.
Do that again. I love you, bonefish.
You know, for everyone that wants to do a fly fishing show out there in the world, everybody thinks the sky's always blue and the fish are always hungry. Definitely not the case. This is also another reason why you need to allow a couple extra days in your fishing trips. Man, I'm telling you, the lightning and thunder was pounding earlier. So what do? We take a break. You'll see over there all my friends, my daughter and Rick. They're sitting at the bar. We're having morning coffee, but safety comes first. So I'm gonna go have a cup of coffee with them and maybe put a little ginger spice into it. So the weather got nasty. They kicked us out of the bar, sent us back to the bungalows for safety, and then it cleared up. And when I say cleared up, they informed us. They said, listen, it's going to be fishable. It was our choice to take out cameras. We chose to do it. You'll see it's going to be a little bit rough. You know, we had to do a full clothing change and take rainwear and rain gear and stuff. But hey, we wanted to fish.
Yeah, I'm wondering.
Step is coming. Step, yeah. This one, let it go.
Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, nice.
Did you see how he goes?
My man, give it to me. My man, look at him. Ah, yes. Yeah. Is it? Here comes the rain too. So this is a trigger.
No, it's an emperor.
An emperor. Oh. Got to get a picture. Nice. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, can he see it? Yes. That's awesome. You know, the Alphonse guides, they were incredible. They said, hey, we'll stick it out as long as you guys want to stay. We can go at any time. As long as our cameras are working, we were staying. Here he goes. Yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. What is he? You know what it is? We're not sure. Is it a parrotfish? All right, we got a bluefin trevally. Nice. Yeah, baby. Check, check, check. Woo-hoo.
Whoa, check.
If you could have saw the look on my face, that is one photo I really wanted, the bluefin trevally. Not just because it was a bluefin trevally. You know, we got bored on the 9,000-mile trip over. That fish put me over the 200 fish on the fly, and I wanted that photo. And you know what? I was unlucky. I didn't get the photo. I'm counting it. It's a catch. We caught it. Speaking of unlucky, lucky Ricky Loco. You're gonna see him in bad weather, wind blowing like crazy. What's he do? He gets in front of a GT. Lucky Ricky Loco. You're gonna see him hook up. Daggone. Strong. You want me to end the boat or out? Okay. I'm sorry? I still don't understand. Come on, man. I just want to play with you. Let you go. Doesn't like this boat. All right. All right. That's what it's all about. Beautiful fish. Thank you, fish. Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
Well done.
No, you well done. Oh, that's what it's all about, huh? You know, I would have never dreamed a kid from West Virginia would have had a chance to fly 9,000 miles to come to the Seychelles Islands and fish with Alphonse Fishing Company. Hey, this trip didn't disappoint. My daughter Autumn catches a bonefish of a lifetime. Ricky Loco, he makes the blooper reels. Everywhere we go, Ricky Loco. And we come all the way over here, and I got one fish I want to catch, and my dream comes true.
Tell me how far. Yeah.
Oh, man. You know, the one thing about me, I'm animated. And when I'm on a fish, my mouth doesn't shut up. You'll see how serious this fish and what it means to me. We look back at this footage. Mum's word, man. I'm locked in, I'm focused. You'll never see me this quiet, even in church. Very strong. My goodness.
Down. Wow, strong. My goodness. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's a good one, isn't it? My man. My man.
Got him.
My man.
All right, man. My main man Jamie just had it going on for me here. We got it done. We're halfway around the world. I don't know what time zone. I can't do the math. The metric system screwed me all up. As you can see, I'm excited. We come out here. We wanted a GT. We got it. We got it done. It's street credit, man. I'm in the club now, so it was cool though, man. But it was all Jamie. He saw it coming and said 9 o'clock. Put it there. I think that fly went flying by me and landed right in front of him. But man, I'm jacked. I'm really excited. Had to take a bath. We had to go in and get him and do some work, and we tagged him. And Bonefish Tarpon Trust is doing a really good job of tracking these GTs. So it was pretty cool to know that that was a fresh one, and we got it tagged and got it back out there. So ready to go now, man. It's gonna be a party tonight.